welcome to the 4th edition of our Thai cooking classes. Today we are at the classic home cooking school with some really sweet woman. Her name is Vinni, and she is going to be teaching us, I think it's 4 to 6 different dishes, all in Thai, all delicious, including curries, including desserts, including stir fries, and you already know that my heart and my tummy are gonna be really full. And if you've missed the last 3 Thai cooking class reviews and you're going to Chiang Mai and really want to know where you want to go, you need to click the link that's right up there that's going to take you to the playlist where you can see all of the classes that we've done and find the one that suits you the best.
This is the Kaffir line.
Oh, wow.
The leaf, today we use the leaf for the curry, for the green curry, and this fruit. We use the skin for the curry paste.
Okay.
And the juice inside you can use for both for the hairs. Anti-dandruff for shampoo for the hand, release the bad smell. Yeah,
really?
Yes. You can pick the leaf and smell.
Wow.
Yeah.
I never knew that it came in.
Yeah. Chinese ginger. We use the root part as well. Lemon grass. Today we will use all of this for the curry paste.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you pick them from your own garden?
Yeah.
That's incredible. All natural, y'all. This is the super sweet Vinni, who's gonna be teaching us all of the dishes today.
Yeah.
So when we first started going to the cooking classes, we literally use this Kaffir lime leaf in every single class. And I never in my life imagined that it would be in a tree, and that one of the herbs that's used literally the most in Thai cooking is so plentiful. And when you get the leaf, you rip it up, it kind of smells like a citronella candle. Like when you're going camping and you don't want mosquitoes to bite you, this is exactly what it smells like. When you cook it up in curry paste and put it into stir fries, it's delicious. So you guys, it's about to get real serious. Putting on our aprons.
Okay, and this is the fish paste, shrimp paste. This one light anchovy, quite smelly. After you mix with the herb, the spices, no smell, the smell gone.
So this shrimp paste is made out of anchovies, and it smells like death, but it makes it taste delicious.
Cumin and dry coriander seed. For this is the dry cardamom seed stylist, not for the green curry or red curry. We use for massaman curry.
Yeah. Like that? Yeah. And then half 2?
Yeah.
Like that? Go.
Oh, that is so heavy. Oh, that was a bad idea.
For the curry paste, after done. Okay, when you pound the curry paste, you use both hands. One hand cover the paste. The other hand you pound from the edge of the mortar to the middle, all around quite strong. And use this spoon scraping down. After that, you keep continuing pounding more until everything mix up like mixture.
So we just finished all of the hard work for making the curry paste, and now we are at our stir fry station where we're gonna make the delicious green curry. Finished our curry, and now it's sitting because the longer that the curry sits, it's gonna like have more flavor. And now, what are we making, Miss Vinni? I don't think she heard me. I don't know what we're making. Woo. Oh yeah. Now we are cooking. Ooh, that smells so good.
Here, why don't you take it?
Yeah, right? Smell this! I'm sorry guys, you guys are just gonna have to come to Thailand and try this for yourself.
What a bad problem to have.
Yeah, right? Thailand's really cheap. You should watch all of our other vlogs about it. You'll learn a lot. We've been here for like...
We've been here way too long. We love it.
We're actually on our last 5 days. And then we go to Australia. What a bad problem to have. Things have escalated rather quickly here. So I'm curious, what's your favorite spice? Let us know in the comments below.
We make the cutest like this. We boil the dry tamarind in the water and squeeze. This is the pickle daikon, the white radish. Already pickled with the water, sugar, vinegar, and salt. The taste a little bit sweet and salty. And tiny dry shrimp, not salty. If anyone don't like, just leave out. For your information.
Like a shrimp's gonna scare me. I regret that decision.
Daniel gets excited about really silly things. See what I gotta do with? I love garlic. The smell of this makes me so happy.
Okay. I think this one, this is the eye on it.
If you guys have been watching any of our vlogs or any of our Instagram stories, you would know that my absolute favorite food in the whole entire wide world and the only thing I get at a market is veggie spring rolls, and that's what we're about to make. Also stripes? Also stripes?
The end?
Huh? Just made the filling, and now we're
This
gonna
is
mix.
the fresh rice paper, similar to the normal pancake. The end. I think a little bit high.
My turn. Yeah. Put some corn flour. She calls it the super glue. It's super cute. I'm gonna put a lot because I hope it makes it a little more crunchy. Alright.
Be careful.
I love the way you teach. You are such a good teacher. I just got my veggie spring rolls and I'm really excited to eat them. Just like I'm excited about everything. I think I've said excited at least 76 times in this vlog. Not mad. So after all of that hard work cooking and learning how to cook these delicious meals, Daniel's still kind of finishing up. We are actually heading over to the table so that we can join everybody and eat the delicious meals that we just made.
Guys, this is so much food. We literally have 3 full meals and 3 massive spring rolls. I don't understand how we're gonna eat it all, but it doesn't mean we're not gonna try. Oh, I'm so excited.
It's time to taste it. So the first thing I'm gonna taste is the green curry. And our friend Vinni told us that the way to eat it is actually to scoop some of the food onto the rice, not eat it separately. So I'm gonna follow her directions because you always wanna learn from the locals. Let's see. So good. Very rich, a little sweet, but mostly really savory and just a little bit spicy. Love this meal. The next thing I'm gonna try is gonna be the stir fry cashews with tofu. So let's see how this tastes. It's just so good. I love garlic. I definitely dumped, I don't know, 12 cloves of garlic in here and you can definitely taste it, but I'm happy with that. And it's a little savory. And I think the soy sauce almost like caramelized the tofu that they then covered with cornstarch. So it has this like toughness to it. Really great in both texture and flavor. Guys, I have been waiting to make a pad thai, I don't know, for at least like 6 months. The moment of truth has come. Time to taste it. Vinni has literally taught us how to cook this perfectly. The noodles, I have the perfect texture, just a little chewy and not super like gooey like some. Very full of peanuts because I like it that way. And like sour and sweet and everything that you want in a pad thai. So Definitely gonna eat all that. And last but not least, this is like the real test because I'm obsessed with spring rolls. Now, all I've had for dinner for like 7 days straight. Sorry, not sorry. Sweet Thai chili sauce, because why even get a spring roll if you're not gonna have sweet Thai chili? And here we go. It's a little chewy. I think I burnt it. I think I'm gonna stick to eating veggie rolls from the market. I don't think I'm gonna make it myself anymore.